Hello everybody, we back at the Franklin Fort again, and this time will be just me and the Ford Amiga. A little bit later the snow gets steeper, it will get into your shoe. Yeah, that's why last time I mentioned about getting the gator, shoe gator. Yeah. And we have a first timer today from Indiana. That's a lot of snow on the side of the road here. What happened? David and Kenny got lazy today. They backed out at the last minute. Probably worked too hard last night. Hey, this is the third time I've been here and I've never seen this much snow on this trail before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's like at least 3 more miles. Oh, just to go to the trailhead. We cannot go to the pole.
Yes. Walking in the snow.
In the winter wonderland.
With the chicken. Die with the wonderland. Yeah, haven't seen anybody beside us. The purpose we are hiking on this trail again today because we read the review and they say the waterfall is frozen. We never seen a frozen waterfall before.
We're not scared. Oh yeah, nice picture here. Nice picture here. Good job, yeah.
How can you meet a stationary object? That's a terrible aim, okay? Yeah, some people live in this area. Got people falling from behind. Newcomer.
The lady.
Huh? Yeah. Joy tricked the newcomer, say this is a short hike, but it turned out to be like 8 miles. Ah.
It's hot. Rồi bây giờ mình sẽ vượt tuyết này em. You ready em? Not ready. Not ready.
You're gonna say ready or not? Here we go.
Although ready or not, here we go.
Yeah. Ready or not ready, you still go. Can you slide down with your face down first? Oh, Chuck, King County area. The snow is above her knee. Aya! All right, we at the trailhead. Finally. Finally. All right. That path will lead to Denny Creek. And this way we go to Franklin Falls.
Alright, let's selfie here.
No, no more selfie.
Okay, selfie. No, turn this way. Turn this way.
No.
Turn this way. All the snow.
Đây. This is old dog with a Jack Bear. Okay. There's bear in the area too. Finally, you guys arrived. I've been waiting for so long. Oh man. Let's try to get to the waterfall in 30 minutes. Không xuống hả? Okay, let's go down. Man.
Okay, you want some more? Jolene, yeah, rất là
Yeah, very good. Thank you.
No, no, it's good. Alright everyone, I guess we will wrap up this episode of hiking. So we're gonna return to the parking lot and go home now. See you.